that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and I was just like, you know what I can make that I like with a mix with something else that's soft, that's moist, that's good, that's chewy, that will melt in your mouth and will have you like, this is good. But the brand in the box I'm using is this one. Since I had used like the original box in my other recent home cooking playlist video, y'all can go check that out. And this is the brand I'm using, the avocado oil. To me, this is the best one to use, and it smells good. Instead of using that regular cooking oil, I have these eggs right here. It's only like what, 6? Yeah. And I guess, you know, you always gotta like check your eggs and make sure they ain't cracked, but you're supposed to do that before you purchase them, obviously. But if it wasn't, I was gonna bring them back. And that's it. I mean, y'all leave it down in the comments below what the type of, I can say, what do y'all put on top of y'all, you know, dessert? Caramel. What's any other stuff? Oh, chocolate fudge, marshmallows. Everybody put different stuff on top. Some people put like candies on top. I didn't start that. I was like, wow, that looks good. But this is going to be so, like, I could say good. And if you feel like you know this was helpful and it tastes good and you tried it, leave it down in the comments. Feel free, have a conversation. Y'all let me know what are y'all favorite meals and snacks and everything y'all like to cook and what y'all been craving for. am so shocked. Y'all, look how good this came out. This is the ones right here with the Reese's in there. And them the ones with the Hershey's cookies and cream and the Butterfingers. And the reason why I put the white ones on there, I ran out of the brownie mix, so I had backup of some more cookies in the freezer. So that's why those are covered up. But these right here, these really actually look good too. I don't even know what to call these. They are done. This one right here is like really big. Look at this one. This one is huge. It didn't spill over or nothing. Like, these are perfect. It smells so good up in here. Yeah, they are done. Like, even this one is big. Well, y'all let me know what y'all think about them. We're gonna try this out, see how good it is. We're gonna try this one first. I'm just curious to see how this one tastes. The Reese's one. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. I gotta hold upside down though. Look at that. What? Oh, wow. This is too good. Are you serious? Let me show y'all this. Look at that. It's so nice and soft. You can see every single detail in here. It's nice, it's soft, it's moist. Look, it's falling apart from the top part. Because I just took them out the oven. This is good. Oh, this is so good. Y'all. Hold on. Y'all have to make this. Like, it is so good. And I want to try the Reese's one. I want to try this one. Just imagine how those taste. This is so good. Wow. If y'all want a snack, y'all want a quick dessert, get y'all a box of brownies, get your favorite bars, anything you want to use that you want to put inside is your decision. It's all up to you. Y'all give this video a thumbs up. I really truly appreciate it. Leave y'all comment below. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all make it, let me know. How does it taste to y'all? Come back. Leave your thoughts. Oh, I gotta give me another piece. This is so good. Dang, look at that. I'm almost finished with this one. Oh, that's hot. But y'all, let me know what y'all think. Feel free. I'm just lost right now, y'all. Like, I just can't believe how good this really came out to be. Like, this is so good. I can't even focus right now. I cannot believe this. Like, my mind is blown away right now, y'all. I'm about to head out. Y'all take care. More on the way. Go to my playlist called Home Cooking. All of my cooking videos are always listed there. If y'all didn't know, now you know. Go to playlist. You will see everything listed by names. It will always be there, and by order. Streams, everything you need. And feel free. Let me know what y'all cooking right now. What's y'all snacks? And I know y'all eating something right now. What y'all munching on this late at night or morning, evening, whatever time it's by y'all. Y'all take care. Be safe. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.